Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add videos to your WooCommerce products gallery. Videos can enhance customer engagements. And before we start, I have to notify that to proceed with these tasks and these steps, you have to pay for a plan in WordPress to be able to do a lot of the tasks. Now, I didn't do that, but I'll guide you through the process with giving you the instructions necessary to complete the process. Now, the first step is to install product video plugin. To do that, you have to log into your WordPress account by going to wordpress.com and log in using your account's credential. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your account's dashboard. From here, go to plugins in the left sidebar here, click on it, and search for WooCommerce product video. Let's see, WooCommerce product video. And you can use, let's see, I made a mistake. See this one, right here? Yeah, this one. You can select from many options right here. And as I said before, if you want to upgrade and activate a plugin in WordPress, you have to pay for a plan. Now, once you pay for the plan, you'll be able to upgrade and activate the plugin successfully. Now, for the second step is to add a video to a product. Edit a product and look for the product's video section. After that, pass the URL of the video, example from YouTube or VMO, or upload your own. And that's it. And for the third step is to save and preview the products. Save your changes and check the products page to ensure the video appears in the gallery. And that's it. That's how you add a video to your WooCommerce products gallery. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.